Double kill.
Your purpose has somehow become mine. I do not usually follow dogs. There is something about you, though.
How many people should
You know
I kill?
something about Ichiro's death, don't you? Lead on. We will uncover the truth.
Hey, Ichiro's mutt! Ugh, so the mongrels left my brother-in-law's side. He's been lying there whimpering for days. Ichiro's that idiot! He inherited a big, beautiful estate while me and my husband live on this farm like animals.
What exactly happened to Ichiro?
Ugh, the food choked on some fish. Didn't check for bones first. And now he's bones. Probably why the mutt stayed. Dogs love bones. And now the estate is ours.
She doesn't have one
The
too.
dog
Finally,
doesn't
finally.
The feeling is
Not a
mutual.
perfect move
Before
of
Ichiro
peasant
died,
in game.
He hid the inheritance and gave the key
Look
to
at
this
this.
creature.
You
Oh,
took
well.
it back?
Not before that mutt attacked my guards. Almost bit my arm off.
But our main
Some of
character
that
has a
blood on his
perfect
fur is
tooth.
mine.
You will pay for hurting this dog. Touch this dog and deal with me.
Give the key back and I'll go. And take the dog with me.
Ichiro's box is nowhere to be found. The key is useless.
Good
If you find the
riddance.
key, take it.
Eh, Mutt?
Just leave me out.
That key must be nearby. I'm trusting your nose to find the key.
I'm trusting you nose to find the key and...
No key here.
Funhepchang 15 євро. What do you think about this version of game?
I feel nothing about it. It's really strange.